host DigiHub, and today we'll be unboxing the Redmi Note 5 Pro from Xiaomi. So today the one which we have is the gold color model, and it is the variant with a 4 GB memory and a 64 GB storage. So opening up the package, we don't have anything glossy or glittery, and it's a simple packaging. The phone comes out on top in a cardboard sleeve. Seems quite good enough. Apart from that, next we have the warranty card. Then comes the user manual, which has details of the phone and everything. Next we have a back cover, which is a transparent one and looks sturdy enough. Then comes the charging adapter. The charging adapter supports quick charging, so you'll be able to get your phone's battery levels up to quite a decent amount in a very short amount of time. The USB cable, or should I say, is a standard USB and not a Type-C. And at the bottom we have the SIM tray pin. So that's all about the packaging here, and we'll be opening up the phone now. Taking the phone out of the sleeve, we see that it is coming in another plastic covering. So there's the phone for you. It comes with a matte screen guard finish, and the cornerings are reinforced. The build looks solid. The fingerprint sensor is at the back. Phone seems quite good enough. So we'll start up the phone. This phone also comes with a 6 GB memory variant as well, and is available in Flipkart via lightning sales which are going on, and the one in which we actually got this phone. We also got a third-party tempered glass cover for the phone as well. So the phone is set up at the side. We'll try to provide the link for the tempered glass in the description below as well. So now we'll be setting up the phone. And there's one last look at the tempered glass for you. We'll add up the tempered glass later on, so we don't want to tamper with the stock look of the phone. So while we set up the phone, this one comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 octa-core processor, which is around 1.8 GHz. The GPU is a Adreno 509, and the 4 GB RAM means the phone shouldn't be lagging when we're using some memory intensive applications or playing some high intensive games as well. The MIUI is currently using the version 9.2 and is quite quick enough. The screen is a 5.99-inch screen, and the resolution is an 18:9 one, that is 1080 into 2160 pixel. So the phone is set up now, and as you can see, the UI is quite sturdy or smooth, I should say. We were not seeing any lag of any sorts here. So we'll take out and go to the about phone section, and we'll try to show you the specs of the phone, which comes in stock when you buy the phone. So as you can see, the Android version is 7.1.1 Nougat. The security patch is 2117, or should I say 2017 12.5, that is 5th December 2017. MIUI version is the global 9.2 stable one. And as far as internal storage is concerned, you get a 52.87 GB available. And there's a little Nougat for you. Okay, so taking a look at the phone, and on the left of it we have the power button and the volume up down. In the front we have the secondary camera, which is a 20 megapixel one with an LED flash. On top we have the sensors, the call speaker and everything. It comes with a lot of sensors, that is gyroscope, accelerometer, and sensitivity sensors and everything. At the bottom we have a single speaker, the USB port for charging and data transfer. Then comes the microphone and the headphone jack, which is a 3.5 mm one. On the right we have the SIM tray, which is a hybrid one. At the back we have the fingerprint sensor and the dual camera, which is a 12 megapixel one and a 5 megapixel one. So that's all for the phone. It's a nice one. Hope you liked the video. In case you did, do like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time. Cheers and bye.